Good evening to all of you. Today we start topic bell desk. Bell desk is an extended arm of front desk. There are many activities at the hotel time of arrival, during stay, at the time of departure of guests, which cannot be carried out from the front desk but are to be carried out essentially in order to provide services to the guest. As the name suggests, it is small desk. The counter in the lobby near the main entrance of the hotel. The bell desk should be situated in the clear view of front desk, cashier and particularly the doorman outside the lobby so that the doorman may signals for a bellboy at the arrival of a guest. Further, it is also important that bell desk is situated near the luggage center and luggage entrance. The functions of bell desk. The first one is luggage handling. The luggage handling of the guest is done at various occasions such as arrivals, during stay, and time of departure. At the time of arrival, when the luggage of the guest moved from car, taxi to lobby and further to the loaded room, the activity is called up bell activity. When the luggage of the guest is moved from room to lobby and further to the car, taxi at the time of activity called down bell activity. Next is paging. Apart from luggage handling, the bell desk is also responsible for paging a guest. The paging is a system of locating guests in the hotel. The many times the in-house guests expect a phone call or a visitors but decide not to wait in the room and might decide to go to the public area such as bar, restaurant, swimming pool, lobby or lounge etc. of the hotel or may go out of the hotel. In such cases, the hotel requests the guest to tell about the whereabouts through a location from. This proforma may be kept in stationery folder in the room as well as the guest information section of the counter. Usually it is filled by the guest, but many times it is may be filled in the by the hotel staff on the instruction of guest. The next is mail and messaging handling. The bell desk function is also to handle and attribute the mail and message received by the front desk in the absence of guests to their respective rooms. Also distributions of newspaper and magazines etc. to various rooms and the areas of the hotels and keeping a record of the same is done by the bell desk. The next one is delivery of newspaper. As per the hotel facility policy, all hotel guests receive a copy of hotel newspapers each morning. The bellboys in the night shift are responsible for delivering the newspaper to the unoccupied rooms. The fifth one is collection of room keys at departure. The another very important function of the bell desk is the collection of room key from a checkout guest and distributing the same at the information desk. The last one is miscellaneous jobs. The miscellaneous jobs such as postage stamps, handling, taking care of outgoing mails, of carrying outside the arrangement of guests and hotels such as buying of cinema tickets, moving files and documents for the guest as well as going to banks, post office and FRO police station for delivering of C forms and etc. Thank you everyone. Please like and subscribe our YouTube channel RPIT Academics.